Iron, it's the stuff of empires. Bridges, buildings, cars, even the tools we use every day, they all start with iron. We often take these things for granted, but behind them lies a fascinating journey, a transformation from raw ore to the finished products that shape our world. This is the story of that journey, the often overlooked tale of how 50 million tons of iron ore become the backbone of modern society. It's a story of sweat, ingenuity, and the power of human innovation. From the depths of the earth to the towering structures that define our skylines, iron's journey is a testament to the hard work and dedication of countless individuals. So let's roll up our sleeves, get a little dirty, and delve into the world of iron. The journey begins deep underground or in vast open pits where iron ore, the raw ingredient, is found. It's not the shiny metal we know, it looks more like rock mixed with impurities. Giant excavators resembling mechanical dinosaurs claw at the earth, unearthing the iron ore. These behemoths then load the ore onto equally massive trucks capable of hauling hundreds of tons in a single trip. Once at the surface, the ore is crushed and sorted, separating the valuable iron from the unwanted rock. It's a dusty, noisy process, but a crucial one in preparing the ore for its transformation. The journey continues with refining, a process designed to remove impurities from the crushed ore. This involves a combination of crushing, grinding, washing, and magnetic separation. Imagine massive drums tumbling the ore, breaking it down further, while water washes away unwanted particles. Powerful magnets then attract the iron particles, separating them from the remaining waste material. This refined ore, now concentrated in iron content, is then formed into pellets, ready for the next stage of its fiery journey. This is where the real magic happens. The refined iron ore pellets enter the blast furnace, a towering structure that resembles a scene from Dante's Inferno. Inside, temperatures reach over 1,500 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt rock. The intense heat generated by burning coke, a type of coal, forces the oxygen out of the iron ore, leaving behind molten iron. This molten iron, heavier than the impurities, sinks to the bottom of the furnace. It's a dramatic spectacle, a fiery dance of elements that transforms the once inert ore into molten iron, ready for its next transformation. Section 5. Steel, the alloy of progress. Molten iron, while strong, is brittle. To make it more useful, it needs to be transformed into steel. This involves adding carefully controlled amounts of carbon and other alloying elements. The molten iron is poured from the blast furnace into a basic oxygen furnace. Here, it's blasted with pure oxygen, burning off impurities and precisely adjusting the carbon content. This process transforms the iron into steel, an alloy renowned for its strength, durability, and versatility. It's the material that builds our world, from skyscrapers to surgical instruments. Section 6. Shaping the future, from steel to wire rods. The journey continues as the molten steel is cast into different shapes, depending on its intended use. For wire rods, the molten steel is cast into large blooms, which are then hot rolled into billets. These billets are then reheated and passed through a series of rollers, gradually reducing their diameter and increasing their length. It's like threading a giant red-hot needle through a series of ever smaller holes. The result is long, thin rods of steel, known as wire rods, ready to be drawn into wire of various thicknesses. Section 7. Strength in every turn, crafting bolts. Remember those bolts we talked about? They start their life as wire rods too. Sections of wire rod are fed into a cold forming machine which uses dies to shape the steel into the familiar form of a bolt. The machine then cuts threads onto the bolt's shaft, creating the spiral grooves that allow it to be fastened with a nut. It's a testament to precision engineering, transforming simple rods into essential fasteners. From bridges to bicycles, bolts play a crucial role in holding our world together, a testament to the strength and versatility of steel. Section 8. The environmental price of progress. This incredible journey from ore to industry comes at a cost. Mining and refining iron ore can scar the landscape, while the energy-intensive processes release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The disposal of waste materials, like slag, also poses environmental challenges. It's a reminder that our industrial activities have consequences for the planet we call home. But it's not all doom and gloom. The steel industry is making strides towards sustainability, investing in cleaner technologies and exploring ways to reduce its environmental footprint. Section 9, a greener future towards sustainable steel. The future of steel is green. Innovations like using renewable energy sources in steelmaking, capturing carbon emissions and recycling scrap metal are gaining traction. The industry is also exploring alternative materials and manufacturing processes that minimize waste and reduce the environmental impact. It's a journey towards a more sustainable future, where the backbone of industry is also environmentally responsible. The journey of iron, from ore to industry, is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to shape the world around us. As we continue to innovate and strive for a more sustainable future, one thing is certain. The journey of iron, like progress itself, is never truly finished.